Hi everyone, thank you for joining me today. I am going to be making two of my favorite things in today's video, and that is flower pepper and garlic salt. Now here you can see me gathering various flowers. This is calendula and nasturtium, and I'm also gathering chamomile. Now the chamomile is for tea, but the nasturtium and calendula are for flower pepper. Now this is Parisian Farm Girl's recipe, so I will link it in the description. I want to make sure she gets credit because it is amazing. But essentially you're just drying these flowers along with some lemon zest, some red pepper flakes if you'd like, and some lavender. And then you're going to just shake it in a mason jar with some rainbow peppercorns and put it in a pepper grinder, and it is amazing on anything. The next thing I'm doing is harvesting these garlic scapes. Now you probably already know this if you watch gardening YouTube at all, but hard neck garlic varieties send up a scape in early June depending on when you planted them, and you are supposed to cut that about a ½ inch above the leaves when it starts to come up. And you can use these for various things. Some people put them in stir fries, some people pickle them, but today I'm going to be making garlic salt out of them, which is extremely simple. And there were a few more that I harvested that I'm planning on making some garlic scape pesto, which is just walnuts, parmesan, olive oil, and garlic scapes and salt and pepper. Some people just use salt and pepper, olive oil, and garlic scapes to make a type of paste, and that is really good too. But today I'm going to be making a garlic salt. There really is no recipe for this. You just need a parchment papered baking sheet really, and you're going to chop these up however much you want, it really doesn't matter, and put them in the food processor and get them really finely chopped, diced, whatever, kind of pureed if you will. And then you're going to add in your salt, and I'm using Redmon real salt, which is my favorite. It's an American mined salt in Washington, and I'm just pouring that in there. You can use as many or as little garlic scapes as you'd like. Garlic scapes are just a mild garlic flavor anyways. After you get the salt and the garlic scapes really nicely blended together, you are going to take the blade out of your food processor and you're going to pour it on the parchment papered baking sheet, and you just leave this out for 4 to 5 days, and you just go by and you kind of mix it around, making sure it gets completely dry. I do this every few hours for the 4 days. It really doesn't take that much thought. You just want to make sure that it's completely dry, otherwise it'll be susceptible to mold, and you really don't want that, obviously. But this garlic salt is amazing on anything, and it is one of my favorite ways to preserve garlic scapes because it is so simple and so delicious. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe and like this video and turn on notifications so you'll get all the notifications for my next video.